In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change payment method on Discord. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and how to make your new card or PayPal the default for future charges, so your subscriptions stay uninterrupted. First, open Discord on your desktop app or in a web browser, whichever you prefer. Make sure you're logged into the account you use for Nitro or any server subscriptions. If you have multiple accounts, double check that you're on the right one before you continue. Next, head into your settings. Look to the bottom left corner of Discord and click the small gear icon labeled User Settings. This is where all of your account controls live, including billing and subscriptions. Inside User Settings, scroll the left sidebar until you see Billing or Subscriptions. Click that. This section shows any active subscriptions, invoices, and the payment methods currently linked to your account. It's a good idea to glance at your next renewal date while you're here so you know when the new payment method will be used. Now, find and click Manage Payment Methods. This opens the page where you can view existing cards or payment services and add new ones. If you don't see the option right away, make sure you're in the Billing or Subscriptions area, not just general account details. To add a new way to pay, click Add Payment Method. Discord will prompt you to choose how you want to pay. You can enter a credit or debit card, and in many regions you'll also see PayPal as an option. Pick the one you prefer. When entering card information, type it exactly as it appears on your card, including the correct billing address and postal code. For PayPal, you may be redirected to sign in and authorize Discord. Availability can vary by country, so don't worry if a certain option isn't listed for you. Once your new payment method is added, set it as the default so it's used for future renewals. Click Set as Default or select Edit and choose your new method as the default from the list. You'll see a confirmation or a small badge indicating it's now the primary payment option. This change ensures upcoming charges like Nitro or server boosts will use the new method automatically. That's it. Keep your payment details up to date to avoid any interruptions, and remember to never share your billing info in chats or DMs. If something doesn't appear as shown, try updating Discord or using the browser version. Thanks for watching and happy chatting on Discord.